Hello everyone. In this video, we will see the conditional formatting in the Google Sheets the right way. Okay. So consider a case wherein we need to highlight the entire row for the values in the D column if it is going less than 50. Okay. So let's go to the data, sorry, format, conditional formatting. So apply to range. I have applied this range. Now formula, because we want it on the condition basis the value in the D less than 50. So I'll just put it equals to, so let's put it here, D2 is less than 50. Okay, and say I wanted to highlight these as orange values or say red values. Okay, done. Now this 35 is also satisfying my condition, but still it is not taking the entire row as red, whereas this is true for this particular value, this again this is less than 50, but it is still not picking up. Then is what is the issue? The thing is, when we give this relative cell reference, that means as long as my data is getting or my range is getting advanced to one row below each other, the reference is also getting shifted. Okay, so that is the backend reason for this thing. Now, what is the remedy for it is you can just put a dollar sign here to make it a static and see the result. Now all your conditions are getting highlighted. Okay, say done. Another thing, whenever you do, this is an add-on tip. So whenever you are doing such kind of analysis or a real-time analysis you wanted to show to someone, to your boss. So for example, if you are analyzing this data, so let's say I have here my dynamic data given as 50. Okay. In this case, what I will do is instead of giving a static value, I'll just put the cell value here, say I1. Okay, say I1. Okay, done. Now what is happening? Again, the same issue which we have seen. Go back here, put a dollar sign here, put a dollar sign here. Done. So now if in case I want to analyze that, I wanted to see all the values which are going below the 1000, all are getting highlighted. Below 500 or say below 5000, all values get held. Okay, so I hope you got the concept. Thanks for this. Stay tuned for the next. Thank you.